Hello again, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do something exciting and a little bit different from our usual videos.
You know that we love eating food wherever we go, and we always try and find local, authentic restaurants and dishes to eat.
But one thing that we always find, what all travellers find, are crisps. Wherever we are in the world, we search out the best crisps available.
But today is Lee's ultimate dream come true.
We're going to visit a crisp factory.
We're going to see how they're made and produced and packaged, and hopefully we might even get to try some too.
If you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing by smashing the subscribe button.
Give it a thumbs up and a like if you enjoyed this video.
Any questions or comments, leave it in the description box below.
Don't forget to click the little bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a video.
Enjoy the video. So we spoke to the owners, they invited us down, they're going to show us around the factory. They're doing a special production run of one of the flavours just so we can see the production from start to finish. One of the flavours we've not tried yet, the ridged salt and vinegar, or British ridged salt and vinegar flavour. Really excited to try these. I don't know if we'll try them today. So the sat nav saying we're 1 kilometre away. So excited to see a crisp factory. Been wanting to see one since I was a kid. My dream's going to finally come true today. So excited. What am I excited for? I'm excited for crisps. I love crisps. So the factory is just around this corner. Oh, I can see it, it's just up there on the left. We're here, look, there's even a van. There's a crisp van just pulling out of the factory. Let's overtake it. So that's the new range on the side of the van there. We just arrived at the factory. We're going to go inside, find the people we're here to meet. We're going to go inside and check it out. Really looking forward to it, can't wait. So for sure, the most important thing about a potato crisp is the potato. Potatoes source their potatoes from all over the world. They only choose the best potatoes that are in season at that particular time. The first stage of a potato crisp's life, the hopper is loaded full of potatoes.
The potatoes are then washed and sanded, which removes the majority of the skin. Some of it is left on to enhance the flavour.
Make sure you check out the link above where we do a potatoes crisp food challenge where we eat an insane amount of crisps, all from the new potatoes range. Keep your eye out also for upcoming videos where we review and taste test the whole new range of potatoes crisps and snack. After the skin is removed, the potatoes are hand sorted, and the big ones are cut into half. At this point, any bad potatoes, any not up to standard, are removed. Only the best potatoes become potatoes crisps. After another wash, the skins are removed and disposed of. After the second wash, the potatoes are then sliced. Depending on the type of crisp produced that day, they're either sliced straight or they're sliced with a ridge cutter.
Today, they are the new ridge cut crisps.
Depending on the season and where the potatoes come from in the world, some potatoes are a little sweet. These potatoes are blanched in hot water, which removes some of the sweetness.
What makes potatoes crisps special? They are fried in 100% sunflower oil that is healthy for your heart. This oil is tested and is the best quality. It comes from Russia or the Ukraine.
They then drop onto a conveyor belt where they are hand sorted for any damaged crisps, any bad crisps, any that don't live up to potatoes' high expectations or quality standards.
Now comes the fun part. The seasoning is added.
The crisps then go into a huge drum where they are drenched with potatoes' top secret flavours. This is one area of the factory we weren't allowed into, as no one knows the recipe, only a handful of management. After being drowned in flavour, the crisps are sorted, they're weighed.
The crisps are then packaged straight away, which keeps them fresh and locks in that flavour.
Potatoes is 100% Qatari owned. They're the only Qatari owned crisp and snack manufacturer in Qatar. They're also family owned and female managed.
There are some more manual quality control checks that are done. These include weighing the bags and checking them. This makes sure they are airtight and sealed correctly. These giant rolls are the crisp bags ready and waiting to be used. They're all foil lined, which locks in that unique potatoes flavour.
The crisps are then boxed by hand.
These will then go into the warehouse, ready to be collected and delivered to your favourite supermarket.
Potatoes are available throughout Qatar in such supermarkets as Lulu, Almira, Family Food Centre and Carrefour.
Just come out of the factory and that was incredible. I've never been in a factory before, I don't think, and to see it all running, all the big shiny equipment and all the people, that was so much fun. Obviously sporting this lovely PP hairnet, which I think I might be very sweaty under. All of Lee's childhood dreams came true today.
No, that's the delivery for me. Hope you enjoyed our video today. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click the bell icon, that way you get notified of any more videos we post.
Any comments, leave them down below and we'll see you in the next one.